I'm Ryan Steer for Senior Design Group 2026, and this is the small motor for the BLDC motor project. Here we've got a 900 watt motor that came with the ESC for controlling the speed and torque. Here we have a 11 volt power supply battery that we use to power the motor. And we're currently using a Raspberry Pi to control the speed of the motor, and we are connecting to the Raspberry Pi with our phones to adjust the speed wirelessly. Got it. I'm going to start powering up the motor here. First we have to go through an initialization phase so that it's ready to go. So these tones here means that the motor is ready to be controlled. So we're going to connect to the Raspberry Pi over Bluetooth using an app called Blue Dot. And using the top button here, we can control the speed. And the speed is just a function of how far away we are touching the center of the dot. So touching the center of the dot will be slowest speed, and further away increases the speed. And then we have a stop button here to stop it as well.